Hey, Walsh College alumni. I am so excited to share with you this incredible initiative that we are launching through our Department of Alumni Relations, our Walsh College, Walsh Alumni Mastermind, WHAM, as we call it. So if you've read the book, Think and Grow Rich, or familiar with Napoleon Hill's mastermind principle, it's the concept that when you get 2 or 3 high performers, people that have strong motivations that want to go to the next level together, you can achieve so many miracles. You can soar in your life. And what we want to do is we want to create a group of high performers, positive energy, positive thought leaders that want to get together, that share a common thread. They're Walsh College alums, and challenge each other, motivate each other. We'll structure it around a topic each time we meet. It'll meet quarterly and we'll have more information in there, but it's really just designed for us to pour into you, for us to pour into each other, and to develop this as we go. How many times have you thought, gosh, I know I'm the average, as Jim Rohn says, of the 5 people that I spend the most time with. And I really want to be surrounded by people who are high achievers, who are high potentials, who want to go to the next level in their life, in their fitness, in their health, in their career, with their relationships, everything. That's what this group will help us do. And we're going to build and grow it together. And if it grows beyond a certain amount, we'll have like different chapters, we'll have different sub chapters. It can be really great, but we'll start with a core group. There's an application attached to this email so that we can get information from you and find out what you prefer. We want to begin this with an in-person component because we just know the power of having that entrainment energy in a room. Yet we're open to adding some virtual sessions. I don't want to exclude anyone, but we really want to make sure that we're creating something that's really high energy and high impact. So we're going to start with an in-person component, and then we'll assess needs to go from there on how we can build out a more virtual hybrid experience as well. So you won't be lost if you live out of state or you're like, wait a minute, I want to be a part of this, but I don't think I can come to the campus. We will hear you. We will connect with you. We'll make sure that we integrate this in some way. So definitely check out the application. And if you're not familiar with the mastermind principle, Google it. It's phenomenal. There's this awesome mastermind. I think it's out of San Diego, Joe Polish. He runs Genius Network. And I want to see WHAM hit that level, if not go beyond. So as we turn the corner into our next 100 years at Walsh College, will you consider joining our Walsh Alumni Mastermind? And together we will think and grow rich in so many amazing ways for ourselves and for Walsh. All right, thanks.